Namaskar. We live in a fast paced world where it feels like there aren't enough hours in a day to get everything done. And in the middle of our busy life, one thing that often takes a back seat is our sleep. But do you know, lack of sleep is not just making us groggy, it is also silently killing our heart. When we don't get enough sleep, our body releases stress hormone like cortisol. Over time, this chronic elevation of stress hormone can lead to inflammation in our body, including the arteries of our heart. It's like a slow, subtle attack that we might not even be aware of until it is too late. Lack of sleep has been linked to an increased risk of cardiovascular diseases, including heart attacks and stroke. Your heart works tirelessly day in and day out, and depriving it of the rest that is needed by your heart is like asking for trouble. So, if you are not giving yourself enough sleep, then there are high chances that you might develop cardiovascular diseases. Now, let's see how to improve our sleep. Here are a few tips to help you to get the quality sleep your heart deserves. Practice diaphragmatic breathing before sleep. This ancient yogic breathing technique is not only a fantastic stress buster but can work wonders for your sleep and heart health. This is how it needs to be done. Lie down in supine position with knees bent. Place your right palm on your navel and left hand on the ground. Inhale from your abdomen for 3 seconds and exhale from your abdomen for 3 seconds. Do this rhythmically for 10 rounds and then relax. This technique involves deep rhythmic breathing, helping to calm your nervous system and reduce stress. By incorporating this practice into your bedtime routine, you signal to your body that it's time to unwind, promoting more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Next is a sleep-inducing drink. I'm going to provide a beverage that, if consumed an hour before bedtime, can promote restful sleep. Here are the ingredients you must use. 1 cup warm almond milk or any nut milk, half teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 teaspoon honey adjust to taste, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric, a pinch of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of chamomile flowers. Now, warm an almond milk in a saucepan without boiling it. Then, in a mug, mix warm milk, cinnamon, honey, turmeric, nutmeg, and chamomile flower. Stir well for even distribution. Let it steep for few minutes, covering the mug to keep it warm. Now strain the mixture for a smoother drink. Have this drink at the bedtime and it would really have a good impact on your sleep. Apart from this technique, you must all focus on few bedtime routines like before bed, do some calming activities, limit your screen time because the blue light of the screen will disrupt your sleep-wake cycle. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day. Create a comfortable sleep environment. Invest in a good mattress and good sheets and good pillows for a quality sleep. So, understand, lack of sleep might be a silent killer for your heart. But with a few changes to your lifestyle, you can turn things around. Make sleep a priority, and your heart will thank you in the long run. Namaskar.